This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make thick, soft, and chewy chocolate chip cookies. To start, using melted butter instead of softened butter is key for a chewier texture. Brown sugar adds essential moisture, contributing to a softer cookie. A balanced mix of all-purpose and bread flour can also improve the overall chewiness. Remember, chilling your dough is crucial for achieving that desired thickness. When mixing, thoroughly cream your melted butter with both brown and granulated sugars until light and fluffy. Incorporate eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully blended before adding the next. Be careful not to overmix your dry ingredients once they are added, as this can lead to tough cookies. Gently fold in your favorite chocolate chips at the very end. Chilling your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, helps prevent spreading and creates a thicker cookie. Use a cookie scoop to ensure uniform size, which promotes even baking. Bake your cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are golden brown, but the center still looks slightly soft. This slight underbaking is key for a soft interior. For an extra chewy cookie, consider adding 1 additional egg yolk to your dough. A balanced combination of granulated white sugar and brown sugar contributes to both spread and chewiness. Always slightly underbake your cookies to maintain their soft, gooey centers. Once cooled, store your delicious cookies in an airtight container to keep them fresh and perfectly soft for days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.